So I have a Shark vacuum cleaner. The motor was making a very loud sound, and the problem seems that it's too dusty. I have to disassemble all those parts to. This is a electronic control board. It's welded directly on those pins of the motor. The bearing seems fine. Is that part? You have the blade. This was all dusty. I'm gonna clean it more. So I'm gonna clean inside those holes here and try to clean, yeah, the motor spinning the most that I can. And with a good de-dusting, a good cleaning, should be spinning freely and not making noise anymore. It was vibrating probably, or very heavy on one side. At first I just wanted to clean it and to try to fix the noise, but the noise was continuing. So I have to go to the fan here, the blade, and remove the blade, clean every brush here inside. And after that I decide to unscrew the fan and undo the motor, to go to the bearing, to remove the seal and put a drop of silicone grease and silicone grease, yeah. So save the bearing. That's the top of the motor with the bearing is, and you have like a washer, spring washer, and this washer was beginning to rust and make the bearing rust a bit. I put some oil so it kind of disappear. I hope inside too is gonna be good. So yeah, this was strange. After that, yeah, I'm gonna put it all together. This was beginning to rust here. Clean everything so you have a good magnetic contact. It's made like a drone motor, but it's very, yeah, I like it, like a drone motor. Sanderson. It's big, probably it's fast and stuff, and so I'm gonna start putting back the motor together with the shaft going on top. So there was a bit of rust here. The seal, the washer have some rust, so it's going like that. Shoop. Press a bit. There we go. Okay. After that, we're gonna put that thing here and there. Ooh, tight. That side. It should be. Oops. Here we go. Oh, pop out. Oh, that's strange. Go in, go in, go in. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Yes. Your spring go down. It should be like that. Okay. Take this, the washer. Washer here. Push it down. Okay. Just so I need the screws. Those. Yeah. It's those screws. Seems nice and long. Swiss that God. Start back again. The washer in the hole. That thingy here. That there. The screws. All the screws out. It's gonna be easier like that. So there's a groove. Put that there. There's a groove here. Bring in the groove. Groove and groove. Should be good like that. Do I see hole? Yeah. Like this. Can I do something here? Ooh, yeah. Now there's screws. The washer here. Down. It's kind of hard here. There's a small pin, the guide. There we go. It's all in. That we're gonna go with with those screws. Yeah. And it's spinning. So that we're gonna go like this, like that, like this. That's it. I think it's good. There's no dent mark to guide it. So So we're gonna try to do it reverse because we don't want to forget something, an operation, a step, because we have to start it over again. I've done it, I don't know how many times yet. It is something to put back together. So we have to do the step. So I already tried a couple of times. We have to do every step in the opposite that we already done. So put the shaft in. Yeah, you have a washer on the bottom, a spring washer. You have this here. And here I'm gonna put this part. Shook in. Put the blade, fan, blower. Is it good? Yeah. Not bad. Blower here. The top washer. The screw. The screw, there's like a dent here in the middle, but there's the flat part on top. You can see the groove on the bottom of the washer. So yeah, try it like this. Start it. It's the normal. Yeah, it's normal side too. It's not reverse. Fan is reverse normally. Screw it. Yeah, there you go. Okay.